Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour through Black River. Now this is the Black River Marina or port. And we're going to take a tour through the town now. Now when you think of Black River, the first thing you're going to think of probably is a Black River Safari, which is where you take a tour on the actual river. So we're going to show you where that is right now. So over here is where you would take the safari. There you see Black River Safari. And the Black River is the longest river in Jamaica. Not sure if it changed the other day, but I think it's the Black River. Alright, so this is the bridge now that's going to take us into the actual town. And let's see, this is the marina that we just looked at, and over here is the actual Black River. So we're going to drive on Main Street now and see what's going on in Black River. Now Black River is going to become one of the most popular places and probably one of the busiest places in Jamaica very soon. That's because all the major highways on the south coast are going to pass through Black River. So you have a Kingston, a highway is going to be built, Highway 2000 from Kingston to Black River, then from Black River to Montego Bay, and then from Black River to Negril. So this is Main Street. On the left is the very popular cocoa bread store. So very soon the highway will actually go into Hodges. But Hodges is just up the road from Black River. Right as you pass the Black River Hospital, that is Hodges. I mean, there's no space for the highway to build such an interchange in Black River, so they're going to build it in Hodges. But it's going to become a very busy place very soon, because everywhere that you have a highway always has activity, and you have three major areas all intersecting in Black River. Kingston to Black River, that's the capital of Jamaica, and the Norman Manley International Airport to Black River. That means towns like Maypen, Old Harbour, Mandeville now connected to Black River via highway. Then you have Montego Bay to Black River, which is also the second city and the Sangster International Airport. Then you have Negril to Black River. So it's going to boom very soon. You can see it's a very busy place. However, this is not the busiest town in St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth is a massive parish, but the busiest town is actually Santa Cruz. But Black River is the capital of St. Elizabeth, and it's going to grow to be bigger and busier than Santa Cruz very soon. And the first leg of the highway is built from Kingston to Mandeville, but the Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, or the Mandeville to Black River leg, it's actually Mandeville, Williamsfield to Hodges, but just call it Black River because it's literally Black River. That section is going to be built within the next 5 years. They've announced it, and that's the next phase of the project. And then after that they will build the section from we're going to turn here because this is a tour of Black River. This is one of those antique churches. I shouldn't say antique, historic. As you can see, it's built a long time ago from the brick. I think it's an Anglican church. And also you could build a cruise ship here in Black River because it has a port. and it used to be one of the busiest ports in Jamaica back in the day. Now over here to the left is the Black River Police Station. The fire station is on the other side by the market. We actually have videos up Hodges, so you can check it out. The area. But a major interchange, probably the largest interchange in Jamaica, is going to be by Hodges, because that's where you'd access all three main routes off the highway. Alright, so we're going to be driving out of Black River now. This is a road that takes us all back to the main road. Guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.